Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Hopefully everybody's Thanksgiving holiday went great. To those who celebrated, happy belated Thanksgiving. Wish you nothing but the best. On today's episode is just braised pork belly Chinese style. It is not anything special, so I think it's pretty safe to call it just the pork belly, or in Chinese, wu hua rou. Without further delay, let's get started. Alright, well, here's everything we need. Obviously, the most important part is a pork belly. Got 1.5 pounds here, a couple of green onions, a lot of garlic, ginger, sesame oil, Shaoxing cooking wine, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, white pepper, Chinese 5-spice. And my tip number 1, make sure you remove pork from refrigerator for at least an hour before you start cooking. This will allow meat to come up to room temperature, which in turn will allow you to cook more evenly. My apologies. We'll also need some honey. If you have rock sugar or brown sugar, use that instead. I don't, so there it is, my substitute. My other tip is to get everything ready before you start cooking, so you don't have to rush. These onions, for braising, perfectly fine with the roots. There you go, very easy. It's in a pot. Another tip for you is do not add pork to a boiling water. Instead, add enough water to cover the pork so that the two come to a temperature at the same time. So now, when this comes to boil, allow it to simmer for 10 minutes. That's our first step. Halfway through, give them a flip. Here we go. Now I'm gonna drain it and let the pork cool. Give your pot a rinse. Now we'll cut like a couple inches thick pieces. So next, pan on high heat, go in with a couple tablespoons of sesame seed oil. When the oil is hot, go in with the pork, but be careful. Go in with the hot water, that's my next tip. So that the pork is covered about 75%. Shaoxing cooking wine, dark soy sauce, light soy, white pepper, about a tablespoon, 5-spice, about a half tablespoon. Give it a good mix. Finally, go in with the honey. Add all this. Onion, ginger, garlic. Because I think that the liquid is too much, I will actually bring it to boil and simmer uncovered. Total time is about 40 minutes. Give them a mix once in a while. As you can see, it reduced quite a bit. Got some nice color. Not as dark as many, but will it be delicious? Pretty sure. Let's plate this and taste.